We're going to go over to the website HackMyVM, and we're going to take a look at the next level. The next level is level X01. So if you're wondering what we're looking at, this is the page. So it says this mission is similar to the previous one, but adding a minimum of complexity. So you will receive a string. You must return the same string, and you will receive another string, which you also must return. So basically, the server is going to send you a string. You need to send the string back, and then you will receive a second string, and we need to send the second string back. So it's basically the same thing that you did in the previous level, but you do it twice. So let's go ahead and create a script that solves this level. Okay, let's go ahead and go over to our script. So we've got our script 00.py. We're going to adjust the script to solve the next level. So we're just going to use nano to edit the script. We need to adjust a few things. So first of all, I'm going to get rid of this base64 import. It's bugging me a little bit. And we can keep everything else the same. Well, not everything else. We need to select the next level. So it says send level 00 to choose the level. In this case, it's not going to be 00, it's going to be 01. So this part can stay the same. We can receive the challenge, and then we can send the challenge here. So we need to add in a couple of extra things. So we send the challenge, we receive the challenge, we send the challenge. We need to do this twice because that's the way this challenge works. So we're just going to copy and paste. Can we copy and paste? Let me try. Copy selection, okay. Paste selection. Oh, did I not paste it? Paste selection. Okay, so that worked. So we just need to change things a little bit. So here we're going to say receive the first challenge, and I guess just to make it a little bit cleaner, I'm going to remove the Spanish parts of the comments here. Okay, so let's see. So receive the first challenge, and then send the first challenge back. Okay, so receive the first challenge, send the first challenge back, and then we need to receive the second challenge. So in this part, we're going to receive the second challenge. So I guess we can also change this as well. So receiving first challenge, and sending first challenge. And then receiving second challenge. And we're going to call this one data 3, and we're going to print data 3. And then we need to send the second challenge. Okay, so we send the first challenge back, we receive the second challenge, we send the second challenge back, and then the last thing that happens is that we receive the flag. So this is going to be data 4. So it looks like we receive a total of 4 data packets from the server before we can solve this level. Okay, so let's go ahead and save out the script. Hopefully it works. If not, we're going to have to debug the script. Okay, so let's go ahead and run the script. And I guess we need to rename this file. So we're going to copy Levelx01.py, and we're going to rename it Levelx01.py. Okay, and then we're going to Python script run level 1. Okay, it worked. Great. Okay, so we received the intro here. Then we received the first challenge, which is this string here. We send it back, and then we receive the second challenge, which is this. And then we send it back, and then we receive the flag over here. Okay, great. Let me go ahead and we can save this out to our GitHub, because this is what we use to complete the level. So over at GitHub, where are we? Here. So I actually completed this already, but this is basically the same script that oh, I actually rewrote this script a little bit, but it's a bit more complicated than the one that we have right now. So I'm just going to get rid of the old version that I have here, and we'll put in the new one. Okay, let's go ahead and commit these changes. And if you want to take a look at the script that we wrote over here, then you can look at it over at this link. Okay, and before we finish, let's go ahead and run the script and submit the flag. So over at HackMyVM, we're going to submit the flag. And I'm pretty sure I submitted this flag before. That's fine.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.